58, Christian 418, cleared Island 25 left approach. Can you get down from there? Flying heading 360. Right, 371. Take on now, descend and maintain 6,000. Leaving 104, 6,000. Maintain under 1. You'll flight 371, turn left heading 270, join 25 left, reduce speed to 1. 240, 11,
Let it get a light.
Down for green.
Down for green, altimeters.
Approaching minimum.
Okay.
100.
Top, David 18, drop the Q product, clear to take off.
50, 40, 20.
Clear to 20,
10.
72, we have released now, drop the Q product, taxi Q position. Short of Charlie.
1 to 1.
One heavy is on Bravo for 73.